It's your girl Hetty. Amen. Hello, so welcome back to my channel. Today's video is basically we talking about how to blend out your makeup, how to work on your skin so that your makeup looks flawless, neat, and without any harsh lines. How do you blend out all the products that we're going to use on our face and look seamless and natural as well? So we're basically going to concentrate on the skin. So on the video you see at my right or your right is me in this makeup with no filter, natural lighting, and you can see the makeup looks seamless. Even though we've done lots of highlight and contouring, it looks flawless and then neat. So let's get started. Today's video, we're basically going to concentrate on the skin, and if you want to have a video on how to do your brows and how to prep your skin before your foundation, I have other videos linked in the description box below. So on the skin, you use your foundation. Make sure you use a foundation that is not too lighter than your neck. Try and stay true to your skin tone, and when you are blending, don't swipe. Try to dab onto the skin. Get different brushes for different reasons and for different functions. So I go to highlight the places that I've put in light shaded concealer. Don't go too light on highlighting too. So this is from Classic Makeup. It's in the shade 507, and that is what I'm using to highlight my T-zone, my under eyes, and then my chin area. So basically just watch. I am not swiping. What you do is you dab the product onto your skin. That way you get that airbrush finish look. Makeup needs time. With regular practice, you are going to perfect your makeup. So I also dab onto my eyelid to avoid any creasing. So you can see we've highlighted our cheeks, so we have a much lifted face right now. Instead of my face or my cheeks area looking down, now it looks lifted. One thing about foundation and then highlighting is it takes away the features of your face. So now we are going to set the highlighted areas, and you're also going to dab onto the skin. This is a lighter shade, the same way we use the lighter shade concealer to highlight our cheeks and then the highlighted area. This is Sacha Butter Cup Loose powder. I ordered this on Amazon, and get from you any loose powder that is 1 or 2 shades lighter than your skin tone or your foundation shade. We use that to set the highlighted area. So what I do first is to dab onto the skin, and then later I go to set the highlighted areas, as people call it, baking. I prefer to, set the place or set the concealer with this loose powder, dab onto it, let it get into the skin, and then later come to bake by leaving, extra powder onto the skin, and then I go on to the rest of my routine. So now to contour our face, I don't like to use cream contour. I prefer powder contouring. I don't know why. Whatever works for you, go on to do it. So this is my perfect shade. It says Rich Espresso from PS Makeup. That is Primark Makeup. That is what I'm using to bring in more definition to my face, and bringing some depth into my face. This will bring out your facial features. It's going to bring out your cheeks. We are going to also contour our nose. That is going to give some form to your face, because when you highlight, it makes your face look pale without any form. But when you contour, it protrudes the facial features that you have, and even creates more if you don't have. So now we're contouring the nose to make it look slimmer. So when done, I go back onto the same brush I used in setting my highlighted areas to dab onto my skin all the excess powder off of my face. I do this with the help of my face powder, that is MAC NW 45. That is what I use to brush off the excess powder. And to come back to contour the more, I use the leftover contouring brush to bring in some more in-depth to my face, just as we did the first time. All this just for you to have the makeup or the products blended into your skin without showing. You go on next with your fixing spray to set the makeup. Why do you need setting spray? Setting spray makes all the powdery products you used onto your face sink into your skin, so no one is going to see powder or whatever. So whatever that I'm doing now isn't our main focus today. I'm just outlining my waterline, and then also coming to do my eyeliner. What I also go to do is, after the setting spray dries on my face, I go back in with my powder brush to also dab onto my face, so that everything looks moisturizing, dewy, not looking whatever. But this is what I do to set my face. Yes, you see me having makeup on my face, but it doesn't look powdery. So from here, you can do your eyeshadows if you want to. I'm just doing mascara, doing that onto my lower lash line as well, and go straight to my lips. So what I do is I prefer nude. So I go on to outline my lips with a dark brown pencil to outline my lips, and then I also get lip gloss to moisturize my lips a little bit before I go on to use my matte lip shade. It is very nude. I think I had this from She Glam as well. Fix my face again with my fixing spray from MAC, and just glossing my lips again to have that dewy saucy look. So now you can highlight your inner tear dots if you want. If you don't like highlighter, it is up to you, but just a little bit to highlight some extra features the more. And if you want to wear eyelashes, you can go ahead. If you want to use this makeup as an everyday use, just go simple. So I'm just doing these steps being optional, but that is regularly what I do. So you can see upon all the different routines we did, you don't see any harsh lines. Everything looks seamless, no filter here. It looks natural and you can take this anywhere. If you want lashes, just pop up some lashes and just go. If you want to also add some eyeshadow routine, you can do it. But you can see that I always come back to dab onto my skin. Why? I want all the product to sink into my skin. Even after highlighting with my highlighter, I still went on to, dab onto my skin with my makeup brush. This way, everything looks seamless, simple, and neat. So after going on to fix my lashes off camera and also did some eyeshadow, forget about it. This is how I'm looking, no filter here. This is how I'm looking, okay? And I love it. I went to install my hair. This wig is from my company, HBP Wigs. Guys, I'm loving. Well, there is one thing about eyelashes. Eyelashes add extra yumminess to your looks, okay? So with this, you see that I'm glowing, looking cute. You see that we've done a lot of makeup, but it still looks natural and simple. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next other videos. Let me know if you're going to try this and what are your take on, making makeup tutorials on here. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye.